This is a 450XH that we got in for repair. This one was hit by a vehicle. Not sure how or where, but it was hit by a vehicle, and you can see the front bumper here is busted off. So we're definitely going to need a new top cover on here. And the rest of it on the outside doesn't look terrible. But when you flip it up, you see some more damage under here. And it really is mild for what it could have been. But the lower chassis is busted out here. You can see this whole corner is just split right out there. And you can see that the bearings are gone here. The axle's bent. The whole wheels or tire assembly and the wheel and everything just blown right off the axle. On this side, it pushed the tire out of the wheel and did some damage to the axle and everything. So this one here, you know, you're looking at a new top cover to replace all this stuff with the bumper, and of course the lower chassis because you got all this busted out. And then while you're at it, no sense in even trying to straighten these back out. You know, you're gonna need tires. You got damage to your wheels and everything. So just replace them with 2 new wheel assemblies. Just a complete assembly. You already got the tire on the axle. Pop the bearings in there. Then you know you got new bearings, you got new axles, you got new wheels and tires, and it's going to save you some time on the labor to put everything together. It's going to save you from having to pull this chassis back apart if you want to replace the axle in because you realize, oh, well, it's not as straight as I thought, or it's a little bit more bent than I thought. And it's also going to give you some brand new tires on there and just be ready to go. And again, like I just said, you're going to save time on the parts overall, and you're going to save time on the labor of putting everything back together and getting this up and going. So if you run over yours with a vehicle or somebody else runs over yours, don't fret. Accidents happen. You know, this is all plastic and some screws and is easily fixable. Just depends on how much you want to sink back into it. You can turn this stuff into homeowners insurance or something of that nature. You could also go about it yourself, trying to repair it if you have the time and feel confident in doing so. But just wanted to show you this. This is one of a couple of them that we have in here at the moment. And this one is actually one of the better ones that was ran over. We have some that are just totally destroyed. And we see this a good bit. So if it happens to you, don't worry, you're not alone. And just shoot us an email, roboticmowerservices@gmail.com, and let us know what all you need for the repairs on your mower. Send us some pictures and we'll help you out. So here we are, we got our 450XH all fixed back up. New top cover on there, a new lower chassis, new front wheel assemblies on there, and this thing is good to go. Looks pretty much like new, and minus a couple scuffs on these parts that we didn't change out. But other than that, it's ready to roll. Everything's good to go with all the boards. None of the boards actually had to be replaced in it. They were all still good. So, could have been way worse. This actually was pretty mild for a high cut for running into it with a vehicle. So yeah, you know, accidents happen like we said, and that's what we're here for. We're here to keep you up and running. So anything like that happens, just shoot us an email, roboticmowerservices@gmail.com, and send us some pictures and let us know whether you need us to fix it up for you or you're looking for some parts to fix yours up on your own, and we'll get you taken care of.